Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to find a laptop model name in Windows 11 using Terminal app. So first right click on this one start button and then select here Terminal or Terminal admin. In case Windows prompts, press yes. Then you need to copy and paste this one command from this one video description. After that, press enter on the keyboard. This will display your laptop model number on your screen. In case you want to read more about this, I will provide this video article link in this video description. You can read about more methods to find out your laptop model on Windows 11 PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Geared Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.